Oyilunga le-ANC uthi angathokoza kakhulu mangabe uPatrice Motsepe kungaba uyena upresident olandelayo mase kuphuma uCyril Ramaphosa. Ubesebeka-ke nezathu zakhe ey'fakazela le nkulumo yakhe. Bengicela-ke mlaleli uthokozele-ke nathi ividiyo elandelayo, ungasabi-ke ukubeka umbono wakho ukuthi ngabe nawe mlaleli uyavumelana yini nenkulumo yakho Mlisa.
Or ANC branches or ANC followers, not members of any other political parties. It is a suggestion that I'm bringing to the attention of the members of the ANC. Comrades, I have an idea of who can be the next president after President Ramaphosa, and also the deputy president after President Ramaphosa. Comrades, I suggest that Patrice Motsepe is the right guy to lead the ANC. The reason I'm saying that is that I have seen now the countries don't need populists. We only need a business-minded people. If you can see how does Cyril Ramaphosa survive under this severe attack from the ANC members, because even MKP and EFF, these are all ANC members. They are attacking the one man, which is Cyril. But he is continuing surviving and attracting investors in this country. It's because of the guy is a successful businessman. He knows that countries are now talking business. They seek ways of inviting investors in the country, of creating jobs. They are no longer talking populism. And Patrice Motsepe is that guy. If you look at how successful is Patrice took the Sundowns. When Sundowns was the number 3 best team in South Africa. Sundowns is not just the number 1 best team in South Africa. It's now a better team in Africa. The secret behind that whole thing is because the Sundowns is now better managed. It's not because Sundowns has got a best players, blah, blah. No, it's in the good hands when it comes to business thinking. If you look at when he became the African president, the African CAF president, that guy changed a lot of things. Now everybody in Africa wants Patrice Motsepe to lead the African Football Association. Reason why he succeeded, because he's a successful businessman. He knows that in these days there is no organization that just talks politics or populism. They talk business. We need a person with a business mentality. For the first time in Africa, in the history of Africa Cup of Nations, number 1 winning team has been paid more than $10 million. It's for the first time. For the first time in the history of South African football. African football. We have what we call VAR. Even in the club level. For the first time in Africa, we have what we call Champions League. Fortunately, the Sundowns won it. So, these are references that anybody could see that in him we've got leadership. If the ANC can now take him back as the president of the ANC and possibly the president of the country will be a better country. I'm saying this because if you look at the secret successfully of America, it's because America have long stopped putting populists in a presidential position. In fact, in any position. They are now using business-minded people. People who know how to manipulate currencies, how to deal with business techniques. That's what the Americans are doing. That's why they are so successful. Now they are in a trade war with Chinese, thinking that they've got Trump their side, who's a billionaire, but we've got a wrestling background mentality. But little that they know that Chinese, as much as they are communist, but on the side they've got President Xi Jinping, a billionaire, a successful businessman, and he's also being surrounded by businessmen. Now China is winning that war. It's a trade war between America and China. But China is winning, while all African countries are going there to ask forgiveness, to plead Trump. But China is just fighting, and they're winning battle because they know how to talk business terminology, how to deal with business techniques. I heard a lot of comrades say, Comrade Panyaza Lesofi is a right candidate. No, it's fine, he's a right candidate. He's a populist. That is the problem I have. If he's such a successful guy, why Gauteng is a worse province than Western Cape, yet is a capital town under his leadership? Why Johannesburg, a town that's supposed to be the best, is dirty even more than Engcobo, my own hometown? Why? That's how we measure a leader. You think you can put Julius Malema as the president? Julius is a populist. He knows nothing about business. And the countries need business-minded people. You think you could put... That's why we failed under Jacob Zuma. Little that we know that there was no need for populists. We wanted a business-minded person. That's why Thabo Mbeki, successful, led the country. It's because the guy, he was an economist. That's what we want from Patrice Motsepe. If we can have that combination of Patrice Motsepe and Senzo Mchunu as the president, or Zweli Mkhize, one of those guys, and you can add more. But Patrice must lead. I don't have any personal problem with Comrade Panyaza Lesofi. He's doing good. He's trying at all his best to lead the province in a best way. But we cannot take away that the countries now are talking business. We don't need populists. We don't need soldiers. We want soldiers on the Sandaf. We don't want people who are going to remind us about the history, the colonialism, the apartheid. We only want people who will lead the country into creating jobs, bringing investors. People who understand those terminologies. That's what we want. It's my suggestion, comrade. We can like, we can comment to all branches of the ANC to consider that Patrice Motsepe is a member of the ANC in good standing for years. Even his father was a member of the ANC in good standing. He is in business because of the ANC. He respects the ANC. He's still funding the ANC even today. So we don't have to doubt that. I don't think Comrade Paul Mashatile is a good man, because there's already scandals following him. Once we put him as a president, one thing that they're going to do about him, they will raise up all those scandals, secret scandals that he has. If he does, I'm not sure. And already there will again be instability in the country. Like they are trying to use a Phala issue, but they couldn't manage because they are failing. There's no evidence for that. Comrade, ANC branches, ANC members, ANC followers, let's discuss this. What about President Patrice Motsepe? He's proven he's a successful guy. On his business, on his team, on African Football Association, he's proven. There's no doubt. He's an international business guy. He can lead this country. He can put the country in a best position. Let's consider that. Thank you.